Hello, my name is Damaris Trigos. I'm 21 years old. I live in Pueblo Bello, Cesar. I'm study business administration in the UNAD. I like soccer, music and swimming. I'm a responsible person with my work and study, always willing to give the best of me. Stage 1. Visit Valledupar, and you can enjoy its different places and tourist place recommended. Hello, ever joined in this last week I have been to my first daughter in the city of Valledupar. I was there since Friday, September 14, and they have me exit. The next day, I went with my mother. She accompanied me during the visit. Everything was really free. My house insourcing covered the expenses. I liked better when I got out of surgery and they took me with my daughter to see my mother. I was a new experience, and also there was complication. Everything went very well. I can say that this city is beautiful. Its climate is warm and very welcoming. It enjoys many parks and rivers native to the city. On some occasion I have bathed in the river Hurtado where canoe to all. I have visited many other tourist places and very strange rating. Stage 2. The water in Valledupar, Cesar. The water in Valledupar, Cesar is sunny every day. There is usually a lot of traffic and noon. Recommendation. It is recommended to leave with an umbrella at noon. 2. It is recommended to wear clothing that is out of adjustment for heat. 3. It is necessary to use sunscreen. 14. It is important to wear sunglasses. 15. It is important to bring water to cool off and avoid heat. 16. It is necessary to wear shorts if you are going to walk in the surrounding. 17. It is recommended to carry a good camera to take pictures of two most beautiful places in the city. It is recommended not to go to places you do not cannot go to first asking what that place is like to avoid some theft. Stage 3. What you should do. If you want to go to Valledupar, Cesar and enjoy its different tourist destination. You must acknowledge the price of the transporter and the different hotels that are in the city, or if you want to take your own transport to avoid the expenses. You should bring a camera to take pictures of the most beautiful place. Wear short clothes, sunglasses, and sunscreen. You better bring water. The heat is very strong there. What you should not do. If you plan to visit Valledupar, you should not wear clothing adjusted to the body. Thus avoiding heat, you better go to place you do not know without first asking what that place is like. Enjoy the warm air of the city. You better not forget the water to cool off and in good camarade. Thank you for your attention. Be Damaris Trigos.